Welcome. If you've ever wanted to use your camera in Roblox, whether for fun filters, face tracking, or other cool features, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable camera input in Roblox, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Now, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. This is the More menu, where you can find all sorts of options to customize your Roblox experience. Once you're in the More menu, scroll down until you see Settings. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up a list of different settings you can adjust. For camera input, we're interested in privacy and content controls, so tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Inside the Privacy and Content Restrictions menu, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Communication. This section controls how you interact with other players and what features you can use while playing. Now, look for the Camera Input option. This is what allows Roblox to access your device's camera for supported games and features. Tap on Camera Input to open its settings. You'll see a toggle switch next to Camera Input. If it's turned off, simply tap the switch to turn it on. That's it. You've now enabled camera input in Roblox. Your device may ask for permission the first time you use the camera. Just allow access, and you're all set. With camera input enabled, you can enjoy a more interactive and immersive Roblox experience. Try it out in games that support camera features and see what new possibilities open up. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.